Alright, g'day guys, Clevo King here. We're back out at the XR. We finally got it running. We're about to take it for the first test drive. A couple of guys commented they wanted to see this thing out and about in action. A little tip I want to say, guys, when you start an engine for the first time, you can't tune it until it's warm. So we're going to get it out, we'll do a bit of a lap, and then I'll give the carby a bit of a tune, and we'll see how she goes. Let's have a bit of a listen to this idle, guys. This thing sounds so mint. All we're going to need for this test drive, guys, is a 1/2-inch ring spanner to turn the dizzy and a flat screwdriver to adjust the carby. We'll just give it a few little incremental adjustments until we get it to where we're happy, so it doesn't stall when you hit the brakes. Wow, alrighty, let's go for a cruise. Oh man, this is so chunky.
It is, eh?
Wow. Gotta get a bit more of this idle. Wow. I've got the tune pretty much spot on. It's just if you hit the brakes a little bit hard, it kind of wants to stall. So now that it's warm, we're going to increase the idle screw on the carby just a little bit, just to increase the revs. And I'll show you what to do, guys.
I have to get that filter off quickly.
What you want to do, guys, is pull it back further than the return swivel will shut it. Make sure that it's not going to stall it. That's what happens when you get off the accelerator pedal really quick. Just put a little bit more into this, maybe a quarter of a turn. Did you see that idle just pick up? That sounds absolutely beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Got the oil pressure there sitting on about 40 psi. Water temp 160. We just put a 160 thermostat in there, so that's just perfect, guys. We will fit a tacho on here. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge there is working fine. We will have to change the speedo cable, something's going on with that. Beautiful, guys. Look, it's a lot of work to put an old car together, but when you get to the tail end here, you get this amazing feeling. Wow, you can listen to this all day. pressing the throttle. Fuck all, man, this sounds mint. We got a fan belt that doesn't like playing ball, but aside from that, I'm pretty happy. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe, guys. We'll bring you some more action like this with the next few projects we take on. Cheers, thanks for watching.